If you're sending cold email and it feels like this, you're sending more but getting fewer replies, your open rates look okay but you're landing in promotion or spam, and you're wondering, is it my copy or is my deliverability cooked? This tutorial is for you because most people try to fix cold email by changing subject lines when the real problem is inbox placement, warm up, or sending infrastructure. Today we're comparing WARMY.io versus Instantly versus Smartlead. So, tool you actually need: warm up, sending at scale, or deliverability control. Now let's dive in. To kick things off, what is WARMY.io? WARMY.io is primarily a deliverability and email warm-up platform. The goal is simple: help your inboxes build a better sender reputation by generating realistic warm-up activity so your cold emails land in the primary inbox more often. Think of WARMY.io as your deliverability gym. You don't use it to run full outreach campaigns as your main engine. You use it to protect and improve your sending reputation. While on the other hand, what is Instantly? Instantly is a cold email sending platform designed for scale. It's built for people who want to connect multiple inboxes, warm them up, launch campaigns fast, and send high volume while spreading risk across inboxes. Think of Instantly as high volume cold email made simple. And last but definitely not least, what is Smartlead? Smartlead is also a cold email sending platform, but it tends to lead harder into deliverability controls, multi-inbox rotation, and sending infrastructure management, and more ops style campaign setup for teams and agencies. So think of Smartlead as cold email sending with more controlled knobs. Now let's quickly talk about the core differences of these three platforms. For instance, when it comes onto WARMY.io, you'll be getting warm-up plus deliverability improvement. And when it comes onto Instantly, you'll be getting sending at scale plus easy setup, so it is operator friendly. While when it comes onto Smartlead, you'll be getting sending at scale but deeper control. So the real question you need to ask yourself is not which one is best, it's what problem are you trying to solve right now. Now let's explore the key features of these platforms, starting with WARMY.io. Warm-up designed to improve sender reputation, deliverability focused setup, and good if you manage multiple inboxes or domains and want to keep them healthy. It works best as an add-on to your sending system. If your emails are landing in spam right now, WARMY is the one that's directly trying to fix that problem. While if we were to look at the features of Instantly, I would consider it best at fast outreach at scale. So you'll be able to connect multiple inboxes and send from one dashboard, warm-up built in, and simple campaign setup. It is good for beginners and teams that want to launch quickly. So Instantly is usually fastest path from I have a list to I'm sending campaigns today. While on the other hand, Smartlead, if we were to quickly talk about this, you'll be getting multi-inbox sending with rotation, warm-up built in, strong structure for agencies and teams managing many clients, and also more granular control over sending behavior and inbox management. Smartlead tends to suit people who want a bit more systems plus process behind outbound. Now, if we were to look at the different use cases, I would recommend that you choose WARMY.io if your biggest problem is deliverability and you're seeing spam issues or inconsistent inbox placement, and you're adding new inboxes and need to season them safely, and you already have a sending platform and you need to protect it. WARMY is best when you're saying to yourself, I don't need more features, I need my emails to land. While on the other hand, I would recommend that you choose Instantly if you want simple scaling and you're a solo founder, small agency, or small outbound team, and you want to connect multiple inboxes and run campaigns fast, and you prefer less setup and more sending. Instantly is best when you're saying to yourself, I just want a clean system that works without overthinking. And last but definitely not least, I would recommend that you choose Smartlead if you run an agency or manage outbound for multiple brands and you want more control over sending infrastructure. and you care about deliverability and scaling, what you want more operations features, and you're comfortable with slightly more setup for better control. Smartlead is best when you're saying to yourself, I'm scaling outbound seriously, give me the control panel. Now let's look at their pricing, starting with WARMY.io. With WARMY.io, once you go onto their pricing page, you'll be able to test it out as they offer some free tools as you can see right here. And if you were to go onto their paid plan, you'll need to book a demo, and from there you can talk to their sales team. While on the other hand, if we were to check out the pricing page for Instantly, you can also get started for free, or you could get a demo if you want in the top right hand corner. And you can see that their monthly plan begins at $37 and it can go up to $358. With Smartlead, on the other hand, you can also get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $39 and it can go up to $379. So in conclusion, here's the clean decision. If you're struggling with spam and inbox placement, I recommend that you go with WARMY.io. If you want the simplest way to send and scale quickly, Instantly is a no-brainer. If you want scale plus control, especially for agency workflows, then go with Smartlead. And the most realistic setup for many people is actually this. Use WARMY.io to keep inboxes healthy and use Instantly or Smartlead to run campaigns. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.